Welcome to my kitchen.
No food, I mean, there's food, but it's expensive, but it's not like, like when they say actually stuff.
So you know how everyone wants to talk about study group, study schedule, academic planning, going to the library for academic success and everything, but no one wants to talk about the food that I used to fuel my body to ginger the brain to actually study. Because how am I going to be doing all this studying everyone is shouting about on a hungry stomach? No, hunger and studying do not rhyme. They are not a good combination. As a university student, sometimes it's hard for me to find time to cook or even have money to be buying food here and there. So I decided that I'm going to hold hunger by the neck and meal prep. This is something that can be in my control, so I did it. I actually started meal prepping last semester, and when I tell you last semester was one of the best semesters ever, I didn't have to worry about hunger that much. And it works perfectly because who wants to be studying while your stomach is rumbling? So this is not the same meal prep of planning the foods that I'm going to eat every day for a whole week. This is the meal prep of cooking whatever I want to eat, freezing it up and taking it out to warm it up and eat it whenever I want to. Because I can't lie, I don't really like the idea of eating the same things every day. So that's why I did my own like this. I decided to make two soups and two solids. So the two soups are okra soup and efo, which is also known as spinach soup. But instead of using spinach, I actually used collard greens. And for the solids, I made akara and moi moi. As you can see, the okra soup is not like the regular okra soup or ilala soup but that you see Nigerians make, because me I like to make mine a bit different because I really like a lot of stew base, or yeah, I'll say stew base in my okra. So it even looks more like a okra stew than an okra soup. And also for my F4, which you're going to see soon, also looks different. It looks very watery because I like my F4 watery. Look how much this color greens is color greens are. Look how it's a lot. And these ones, the stems that I got, are so chunky. Which like usually I like chunky stems, but not this thick. Look how thick it is. Like this one right here. You can see. But I'm about to chop them up and start boiling them so I could put it into the pepper mix and finish my food. I chose these options because they are suitable for freezing since their textures are not going to change. For example, I'm not going to make rice, even though I really like rice, and freeze it up because the texture is going to change when I warm it up. So if you're thinking about how you can tackle hunger as a university student, take it from me. This works. As I told you before, did this in last semester, and even the food I made even carried me for more than the 3 months of the semesters. But get yourself in the kitchen and buy a whole bunch of food and cook them at once and put them in the freezer. And yes, it's going to feel like it's a lot because it is a lot. You're look, I have to cut up all those collard greens, all those okras and everything is a lot. But when you do it now and you don't have to be worrying about it later and carrying yourself to the kitchen to make a small amount of food for the same energy, for almost the same amount of energy, you will thank yourself for doing this. So this is just an encouragement to meal prep. Save yourself from this hunger so that you can have time to actually study and get yourself the peace of mind that you need. School is already stressful enough. I don't want to add the stress of hunger to it again. Please, just for reference purposes, in terms of the proportions of foods that I decided to make, I made everything that I usually make times four. My regular size of soup usually lasts me a week. So I'm just basing my calculations on that type of thinking.
Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry. Ah, 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 where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry. Anita, you gon' kill somebody. Yeah, Anita, you gon' kill somebody. Yeah, yeah. Anita, you gon' kill somebody. Anita, you gon' kill somebody.
So we are coming to the end of this video. I hope this serves as encouragement for you to also meal prep for this semester. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.